Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Do like, share and subscribe to get regular updates on various corporate and tax laws. In this video, we will see the recourse to be taken when GST is paid under a wrong head or under a wrong GST number. So before 2020, April 2020, there was no recourse available for a wrong payment, and we had to go through the process of initiating RFT 01, waiting for a refund, and it took a lot of time. On 28th April 2020, with effect from 21st April 2020, by a notification 37/2020 Central Tax Notification, Rule 87 Sub Rule 13 and a Form GST PMT 09 was made effective. Rule 87 Sub Rule 13 states that a registered person may on the common portal transfer any amount of tax, interest, fees or any other amount that is available in his electronic cash ledger to the electronic cash ledger for IGST, CGST, SGST, UTGST through PMT 09. So, if a person had made a wrong payment of tax under CGST interest instead of CGST tax, then the person can through PMT 09 transfer the amount from the wrong payment, wrong head of interest to the correct head of tax. Similarly, if a person has made a wrong payment under IGST tax instead of CGST tax, then again through PMT 09 he can transfer the amount from IGST tax to CGST tax. So the intra and inter movement of taxes, interest, fees or any other payment was made effective through Rule 87 Sub Rule 13. So this is effective from 21st April 2020. PMT 09 is available in the portal. In the portal itself we can make this amendment. While notification number 14/2022, they have inserted another rule, that is Rule 87 Sub Rule 14, which gives a wider scope than Rule 87 Sub Rule 13. So in Rule 87 Sub Rule 14 states where every registered person on the common portal transfer any amount of tax, interest, penalty, fee or any other amount that is available in the electronic cash ledger to electronic cash ledger of central tax or integrated tax of a distinct person in PMT 09. So by way of Rule 87 Sub Rule 14, now a person is having GST number in more than one state. So he is having a same PAN number and he is having a distinct entities in different states, and he is having a different GST number in each state. So if instead of paying for Tamil Nadu state, he had paid for Kerala state wrongly in the wrong GST number, he will be in a position to transfer the wrong amount paid in one GST number to the other GST number through PMT 09. But the transfer is limited to central tax and IGST only. SGST transfer is not possible, and there is another condition: the transfer is possible only if the registered person does not have any unpaid liability in his electronic liability ledger. How to file PMT 09? You have to log in to your GST portal, then under the tab Services, Ledger, Electronic Cash Ledger, and when in the Electronic Cash Ledger, you have to click File GST PMT 09 for transfer of amount. This is available when you scroll down the Electronic Cash Ledger. And in the PMT 09 section, the first two columns, the first one shows the amount available in the electronic cash ledger. The second one is the amount that will be available in the electronic cash ledger post the adjustment. The two tabs are not available for any editing. It is in the third tab, that is the add record tab, where we have to give whatever change we require. So under the transfer amount from, we have to choose the major head, minor head. Major head is what is the tax, CGST, SGST, and then the minor head tax or interest. then the amount which is available in that particular head, and where we have to transfer the amount to that, and then save the record. Similarly, you can add 1 or 2 records if you want to add the records. And after you add all the records, you can verify and file the PMT09. Upon filing PMT09, an ARN number will be generated, an SMS will be sent to your mobile, as well as an email in the email ID. Electronic cash ledger will also be updated after a successful filing of the PMT09. So post notification 14/2022, they are amending the PMT09 by inserting a serial number, that is 4A, that comes after this 4. That is what they have proposed, that a 4A will be added, where GST number of the transferee on this in the same PAN will also be mentioned. This particular amendment is still not given effect in the GST portal. We hope it will soon be given effect. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.